Okay, till now we used only three files to create this theme, that is functions.php, index.php and style.css. Then we write a condition here which is if is single, which means if the page is in a single page, you have to show the full content, otherwise you have to show the excerpt means the some few line of content that will show on WordPress website. So till now we did this, but if we want to do a long project, just like the clients wants to see the post in this way, if he will give you some requirements, you cannot handle this in this way, then this you have to do something different. But if you want to handle this kind of a requirements in from index.php file, it is very difficult. So now we are going to show how you can work on this kind of requirement. Okay, then if you want to see control your single page view from index.php, it is not manageable, it is very tough to manage. So for that WordPress has a default template which is called single.php. WordPress has so many default templates: single.php, post.php, header.php, footer.php. So for single page view management, WordPress has single.php. Okay, let's create this file, single.php. Okay, inside that, okay, let's say take a php tag and then echo, for example, hello world. Okay, now go to our website, reload this. Now go to a single post page view. Okay, as you can see, there is only showing on the hello world, our content is not showing. It's because that we use this line of code in single.php. So it is working for the file single.php. If the single.php is not on our WordPress theme, then it will echo on the index.php file whatever you use the code. So it is called template hierarchy, because if the file is already on the php, it will work, otherwise the index.php file will work. Okay, so we are going to work the single page view from single.php, not index.php file. Okay, for that we need to copy the whole code of index.php file, copy this and then paste it into the single.php file. Okay, then we don't need this condition here because we already in single.php file, so you want to show the full content from single.php file, so we will write only the content. Okay, same goes for the index.php file, you don't need this condition. In index.php, that means home page, we will show only the excerpt sorry excerpt. Okay, so in home page, as you can see, it is already in excerpt. In single page view, as you can see, the full content. Okay, now we are gonna work the single.php file in different way. Okay, take a div here, div class name is md 10 and offset md. Okay, inside this div, let's firstly take the post title, copy this, then take the author. Or author is here is our author. Okay, here is our author. Okay, paste it, close the tag. Okay, now remove this div from single.php and remove this ptag. Okay, sorry, not this one, this one. Remove this ptag. Sorry, we have to remove the full div. Okay, then it has to be in this class. Okay, okay, I have completely done. Now go to the website, reload this. Okay, home page is perfectly fine. Go to the single page view. Okay, the single page we have to make it in center. Okay, title, where is the title? Post title, it has to be text center, and the author has to be plus text center. Okay, now load this. Yeah, our template is working finely. Okay, we have to show the date here. Okay, let's equal. Okay, let's take it. Let's close this. Equal. Okay,